Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn HashMap data structure in Dart. So I'm creating a file hashmap.dart void main. Here I say hashmap data equal to, we say hashmap like this. We have collection also package and I just print data. I run it, Dart run this hashmap. So right now is empty. This is the combination of hashing and map. Remember that we are creating a map on the basis of hashing, means big O notation 1. So this is, we can add element also. We can say add all or add. Here I say 1 and 1 like this. I say 2, I say 2 like this. I say 3, then I say 3 like this. You can insert the value, print it like this. Very good. Then we can check also that contain key or not. I can check key. I say one key is available or not. It will display true. So I say print like that way. Run it, it should display true. If I want to display the value one by one, so in place of all values, so I say 4 and I say where key in and I say data dot keys like this and I say print key. So one by one I will have the key like this, and in place of key I can have value also. I say values. I can change the name to V like this and I run it. It will display value. You see, like this we can use it. Then we have a data dot. We have certain function to check is empty, is not empty, key length of this, data type of this, values, all the values if you want like that. You can use HashMap. Remember that it's just similar to map, but it implemented hashing internally. So it is fast as compared to normal map. It is fast for accessing, for deleting, for retrieving a data in this HashMap. It's so fast as compared to map. So that's all HashMap in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.